Welcome to this tutorial where we'll guide you through the process of disabling contact syncing to your phone on WhatsApp. This feature can be useful for keeping your contacts updated across devices, but sometimes you might want more control over which contacts are synced. Let's dive into how you can easily manage this setting. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You might be using WhatsApp Web, but for this specific task, you'll need to use the WhatsApp desktop application if available, or manage it through your mobile device settings. However, since the question specifically mentions PC, we'll focus on a general approach that can be adapted. Once you have WhatsApp open, find the contact you want to manage. Click on their name to open their contact info page. At the top of this page, you should see an edit icon. Click on this icon to access the contact's settings. In the contact settings, look for the option to sync contacts to your phone. This option might not be directly available in WhatsApp on PC, as contact management is typically handled through your phone's address book. However, if you're using a feature that allows syncing, you would disable it here. If not, you'll need to manage this through your phone's settings. If you're managing this through your phone, go to your phone's settings, find the account or contacts section, and look for options related to syncing contacts with WhatsApp. Disable any syncing options related to WhatsApp to prevent contacts from being synced to your phone. After making these changes, click Save to ensure your settings are updated. This will prevent WhatsApp from syncing the selected contact to your phone, giving you more control over your contact list. By following these steps, you can manage which contacts are synced to your phone, helping you keep your contact list organized and private. Remember, WhatsApp primarily relies on your phone's address book for contact information, so any changes you make will need to be done through your phone's settings if you're using a mobile device. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in customizing your WhatsApp experience to suit your needs. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on managing your digital life.